Start right here at the launch world. I got my Okeechobee crawl ready, and then I got my goat on the top ready. This lily pads just looks so inviting right here. Can't pass them up right now. Yeah, baby. First fish of the day, world. First fish of the day, world. Yeah, hold on to him. Look like groceries to me. He was chasing some bait over there. So I threw over there and he came through. He did what he was supposed to do. My little keeper's doing good. My little homemade keeper's doing good, world. Number 2, little dank. Not looking for him. First buzzbait fish, bro. First buzzbait fish in years, bro. Oh! How did he miss it? It's a big bait. All you got is hooks to grab. Oh, man. All right. I gotta let him take it a little hair longer. No pissing buck. But the rushes on the old buzz bait, man. That's how I had thrown the buzz bait since I was a kid. Oh yeah, world. This is what we've been looking for, world. Yeah. Yeah. You come out here for, world. Get him, baby. Get him, baby. Yeah, world. Turn the Charlie motor off. Knew we'd find us one old buzzy. Old buzz bait. Oh! I hope that was just a golf fish. I mean a shoe peak. I hope. Little Okeechobee crawl, flipping him. Nice old groceries. Groceries. You idiot. Bro, you see what we gotta deal with? I mean, he could have slowed down, bro. But I mean, I got 2 of us fishing, me right here and that man up there fly fishing. And he just gonna blow through us like an idiot. Oh my gosh.
You do any fly fishing?
Yes, sir, I do.
Here, let me give you the flies I use. I caught 18 this morning.
Okay, you tell me. What's your name?
Jack.
Jack, Mr. Jack, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Well, world, this is Mr. Jack. Hello, world. Hello, world.
Hey, I want to give you the fly I use out here all the time.
Yeah, you got top waters too. I love my popping
I
flies.
love top water.
Okay. I use some wet flies, but I like top waters. Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah, it's a number 6. It's got a nice big signature.
You make them yourself?
I do not.
Okay.
I get them from, I used to get them from Tony Accardo
Okay.
in Baton Rouge. Tony,
Ooh, BR.
that manufacturing plant.
Come on, baby. World, Okeechobee crawl again. Strikes again. A little bit better fish. A little bit better fish. Smoked it. Oh, Okeechobee crawl. Not the greatest one, but we will make do. Hit it twice. I thought something felt funny. I had to get back in there and check on it. Oh boy. Glad I came fishing today. Almost did. Let you slide, buddy. Loving that old Okeechobee crawl, world. That's what I'm rocking with right there. Oh. Took my yes. Knew you was in there. Tapped on it one too many times, baby. Oh, Okeechobee got you up out of there. The rope trying to get.